I've received some inquiries as to how they can log into the portal after they've signed up for free. Now, first of all, you can go to log in to groovefunnels.com, GROOVEFUNNELS.com, and then this is the landing page which you will see. As you can see over here, both new sign-ups will also land on the same page. As well as for people who have already signed up for this free platform, they can just head over to the upper right hand corner over here. You will look at this tab and click on it, login. And it's going to bring you to the members portal on the inside. So over here in the members portal, you can see that they have a number of various units, getting started, what's in the upgrade, affiliate program, so on and so forth. And if you've got any other questions with regards to the tech side, you can always reach out to the support for their help. They have a live chat feature as well. And over here at the upper right hand corner, you can also, I would say, refine some of your membership details and even to join the partner program for Groove. I hope that this little walkthrough is helpful for those who have issues with logging into the account after the sign up. Thank you guys. Bye.